What is up, Shmoney gang? It's your boy Lex Money, who watched a video yesterday. What did I say to you guys? I said to all of you watching the video that you had to be prepared for the pump that was going to come today. It looks like the pump started. The ICP ecosystem pump has started. We got 2 coins that are looking absolutely sexy. Now, before we do get into that, guys, you know what time it is. Alrighty, guys. Now, I'm feeling generous this month. A lot of us, we need to be getting money to be putting into the market. So what I'm going to do, guys, is we're going to spin the wheel. But it's going to be a cash prize every single day. At the end of the month, however much the total cash pool is, will get given to one lucky subscriber. Okay, so let's spin that wheel. Let's see how much day 1 of the prize pool is going to be. Alright, so day 1. $5 in the prize pool. You must be subscribed. Let's get into the video. Alrighty, guys. Bitcoin is at 101 schmackaroonies. It is looking fantastic. What a way to start the week, guys. Starting the week with some positivity on Monday. ETH at 3.695k. ICP sitting at $12. First chart is going to be the Bitcoin hash rate. It hit a new all-time high last week. This week. Last week. It was Monday today. It hit a new all-time high. Bitcoin lags the hash rate. So, basically, guys, it's gone past 100 trillion. I believe that this is going to be the start of the next parabolic leg for Bitcoin. I don't give a motherfuck if we do have a 5%, a 10% dip. Nothing's shaking me out at this point of the market, and it shouldn't be shaking any of you guys out at this point of the market. But if it is really lagging, and it has been the whole time, then it looks like we're going to be going into the next leg of price discovery to that 120k in the coming weeks. And you can see here we've actually just passed this significant level of volume. So this is going to be where a lot of buying and selling pressure was. Majority selling pressure. We've passed that at 99k. However, it's only day 1. It's only 3 p.m. UK time. So UTC is what Bitcoin works on. It's only 15 hours into the day. So we need to take a chill pill. That's why I didn't do my little dance today, because I feel like every time I do that fucking dance, we done the next day. So I want to maintain this pump, guys. But so far, looking good. Oh, more bullish signals flashing on the chart. The total 3 against BTC has made a bullish MACD cross on the monthly chart, which is even more bullish than you, little degen, looking at the 5-minute chart. The monthly chart, price action is on the verge of breaking out of a descending, broadening wedge. What does that mean? It means tell your wife to get the red panties out, right? Get the sex toys out, guys, because it is going to be Pump City very, very soon. From our boy Reki here, like we said in yesterday's video. Yes, I keep referencing yesterday because all of you guys need to keep up to date with every video that we do post on the channel. We're now in week 10, which is usually the resumption of the uptrend in price discovery. So far, looking pretty good. On the daily time frame, the range is 91 to 101k. So as long as we don't really lose 91k, even if we have a flash crash, then all of you guys say, what the hell just happened? We've still got a lot of support at that 90k region. An explosive move could be coming as the buy signal just flashed on the monthly. And since it's a macro chart, the signal rarely fails. You can see it's only printed 2 times previous, because we're only going from 2017 cycle, and what came after that, it was an insane alt season. Remember, I said my target for altcoins is going to be 1.6, 1.59 trillion. 1618 target for this chart is going to be 1.68 trillion, so still quite a big way to go. Now, I've been throwing shade at Credible, and to be fair, he's not too bad, to be honest, guys. He's all right, but this is just an example of being careful of big accounts. Okay, now I'm a little small fry, so I don't really get that much pull on Twitter or YouTube that much. I've got my loyal fan base of you sexy motherfuckers watching right now. This guy was doom posting at 60k saying we're going back down to 40. Right, the whole time we were in that channel, and I said to you guys, it's obvious bull flag, just a macro bull flag. If this was any other time frame, people would be like stacking in the longs. Someone like this posts and says that we're going low. People take that for gospel, and then they end up buying higher. So just be careful. And even if we do go lower, who cares? We're holding spot. Who watched Becca's video yesterday? I believe it was. Did he soft chill ICP? Look, as much as I'd love him to be soft chilling ICP, he was like, this post is reaching. It is reaching a little bit. He did say that Render, whatever, ICP and FET are still going to be good coins, but he wasn't really saying, yeah, go and buy ICP. He was actually saying to buy Virtuals and Tau. But still, to get a slight mention of ICP in a Becca video. Not too bad. Maybe when we pump, he's going to say, yeah, time to buy ICP. Now, IC Terminal. It's looking pretty good. 797,000 addresses with a non-zero balance. Guys, look, we've been tracking this. We've been tracking this since the summer, tracking this since this time last year, right? When we were all the way down in like 500k. Okay, you just can't. I can't go that far back because I haven't got Pro, because I won't pay one ICP. Stingy motherfucker. But look, guys, we've gone up 10, nearly 20% of holders with a non-zero balance over the past. How many months from August? 4 months. And then I'm showing this because a lot of you guys are doing really well, and you've got like 1,000. Some of you guys have got more. Some of you guys got 100, which is fantastic, okay? As long as you're in, that's the main thing. But addresses with 1k, which I do believe are going to be the significant addresses, is 15k and rising, okay? This was like 14k last year. Now we're nearly at 16k. 2,000 new motherfuckers in the chat. Coin number one that I was going to tell you guys about was Bob, right? We covered Bob at 30 cents, and I said I'm going to buy 10k. I didn't buy 10k, I only bought a little bit, right? What an L. Bob's about to bust a nut. Bob has bust a nut. We're at $20 million market cap right now. $1.63 right now. Down here at $1. Amazing opportunity to be buying Bob. Congrats to everybody who had conviction and saw that Bob was the chosen one. As we've said in the videos many times before, Bob is the obvious chosen one of this ICP cycle. You're up 63% right now. However, you've still got another 100% to go before price discovery. When we do get into price discovery, Bob is going to be going absolutely insane. And now a newly bonded coin. I've been seeing AAA, AAA, AI agent, which was basically launched on Bob, like all over my timeline yesterday, and I couldn't find it because it hadn't bonded on ICP swap. I should have went into Bob. I was being lazy. This thing did a 20x today. I'm going to buy some today, guys. I'm going to buy maybe, I don't know, 20 ICP of this. First AI agent on ICP. If I am incorrect and I am talking rubbish, please let me know in the comments. But I believe this is the first AI agent on ICP. This would be like a long-term hold. The first of everything is going to be great. The fact that it was launched through Bob is also great. $200 price right now. Psychologically, that's not going to be great for a lot of people to be holding point, one of a lot of you guys will only be holding like, maybe half of it. Maybe you'll invest in like one. And when you go into X, 718 followers right now. You can see here, mine AAA, swap AAA on ICP swap. And this thing just gives you updates on pretty much the ICP ecosystem, a lot of the coins, what Bob's doing. Now, ETH has a decision time by the end of this month, whether or not it wants to continue climbing up the stairs, continue climbing up the second angle, or if it wants to break down and then we just fail and then a lot of our altcoins get wrecked. I do think that we are going to be climbing even higher, and I do think we're going to be tackling that 4K pretty soon. I shared this with the members club earlier. 50% off the members club if you do want to join. Massive inverse head and shoulders is in play right now, and the breakout target, let me actually show you the chart that I showed them. There we go. Is going to be around 5.7k for the inverse head and shoulders target. It's a bit rough, so it might be like 5.6. It could be 5.9, but massive inverse head and shoulders still playing out now. If we do break this neckline, I think it's going to be party time very soon. And as I showed you guys in a previous video, this was the final accumulation. Okay, this was the absolute still final accumulation. Once we do break this and ETH goes above 4k, 4.5, someone, I watched a video yesterday, they were like, once it goes to 5k, it's going to be a lot more like appealing to investors, which doesn't make sense because we should be buying it down here. But once we do come out of this final accumulation, it's going to be fantastic for our altcoins. Now, ICP, oh my god, my baby ICP. Look at him, or her. Is ICP a him or a her? I want to call her a her. Now, ICP is finding support perfectly over step one. That's amazing. Who was here in the first video where we planned out these levels and we said, right, this is step 1, step 2, step 3 will be to $17. It's looking fantastic. If we can hold, maybe we form some sort of pennant, mini flag over the next few days or so and continue to pump to $14. That is going to be looking really, really good. But for now, ICP all the way down here when we got it at $10 was great. I gave you the $8. Maybe we don't get it if Bitcoin and Ethereum don't fail and we just continue the bull run. A lot of people are expecting lower. That's why I don't think we're going lower. But we got the $10.47 buy. So it's looking really good for ICP. The ICP Bitcoin pair coming down a little bit today, but that's just because Bitcoin is pumping up to like 100 plus K. What I'd like to see is the 100 MA on the Bitcoin or ICP Bitcoin pair be held. Maybe we can like try and wick off this sometime later today. If Bitcoin wants to go on an insane rally, we are going to get pushed down. Doesn't mean that it's going to be bearish for ICP. It just means that Bitcoin's showing a bit more strength. We're at 102K up here now for Bitcoin. So ICP not looking too bad. Bitcoin looking really good. Ethereum looking really good. 3.7K now. Fantastic. We're on our journey to the 0236 at 1,500 Satoshis per ICP. I think I said it the wrong way around, but you guys know what I mean. 5 ICP is in the subscriber pool for the end of the month. So you guys know what to do. Make sure you subscribe to the channel so you can be in with a chance of winning that lovely prize at the end of the month. Let me know what you guys think of ICP in the comments. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.